Welcome to channel. Today, we're exploring the Cambridge English C1 Advanced Exam, also known as CAE. If you're looking to prove your advanced English skills for work, study, or personal achievement, this certification is a globally recognized benchmark. The CAE is designed for learners who want to demonstrate their ability to communicate effectively at a high level in English. It's widely recognized by universities, employers, and governments worldwide, making it an essential credential for anyone aiming to study or work in an English-speaking environment. The CAE exam consists of 4 parts: listening, reading and use of English, writing, and speaking. The listening section tests your ability to understand spoken English in various contexts, while the reading and use of English section assesses your comprehension and language skills through a variety of texts. In the writing section, you'll be asked to produce 2 pieces of writing, and the speaking section involves a face-to-face interview with an examiner. Preparing for the CAE requires a strategic approach. Start by familiarizing yourself with the exam format and practicing with past papers. Focus on your weak areas, whether it's writing, speaking, or grammar. Regular practice, combined with feedback from a teacher or a study group, can significantly improve your chances of success. To register for the CAE, visit the official Cambridge English website or contact your nearest test center. Be sure to register well in advance, as slots can fill up quickly. The exam is offered multiple times a year, so plan your preparation schedule accordingly. Thank you for watching. Are you planning to take the CAE? Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering English exams and improving your language skills. Good luck, and see you in the next video.